Hi everybody, so we're kind of going back to our original format with these videos, but this is our daily agenda for 2021, February 10th. Today is Wednesday. Let's remember today's odds, reminder, Spirit Week, so you guys should be wearing pink today, and there's going to be no school Friday to 12. Additional reminders, we're starting the Outsiders today. So today we're going to do a 5-minute quill just so you guys can get that practice in. Then we're going to go over the reading schedule that you guys are going to be following this semester, or for this unit. So the reading schedule is going to be under the Outsiders semester 2. Then we're actually going to read the chapter today, and then I'm going to walk you guys through free writes and chapter responses. You guys are going to be responsible while we are reading The Outsiders, and then our exit ticket for the day. Your homework is to have your first chapter free write and chapter response due the 11th, so that's Thursday. You will have time in class to go over that, and we will discuss it tomorrow, of course, so you guys can further get those questions in. So this is what we're going to do once we are heading over to our reading portion. Then you guys are going to be in charge of your free write, so every day I will give you guys about 10 minutes to really write, and just write for those 10 minutes. And you're going to write every day a different prompt in relation to The Outsiders. This is your first prompt for the day. Ponyboy tells us about the friends in his life, like Two-Bit and Johnny. Two-Bit makes him laugh, and Johnny's like everyone's kid brother. Become a narrator like Pony. Describe some of the important people in your life. Explain what makes each of them important to you. So right here where it says type, you guys are just going to type. You're going to have 10 minutes to type in your free writes, and it's going to be uploaded to your Google Classroom. And then I'm going to walk you through the chapter responses, which you will be responsible for as well during this time. Exit ticket, what are your thoughts on this first chapter? We got a lot going on, and I just want to make sure you guys are keeping up with it. As always, if you guys have questions or just need anything from me, always send me an email. You can send Ms. Arroyo an email, you can send Ms. Reyes an email, you can send Mr. McEntee an email. Let us know, and we'll help you out with whatever you need. I'll see you guys in class.